add or edit background photo on your profile on REDnote. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this easy and quick. Let's do it. So you just have to click on your profile here. Go right now, click profile. Click here background photo. It will open directly on your gallery or album of your gallery, and choose a picture from here. Here you can change your file. I will choose this and click now save, and it's loading right now. It will change. When I back to my profile guys, as you see my background is changed well. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.